Hi everyone, I am Kavya, Don Bosco Polytechnic Collegeல first year படிக்கிறேன்.
I am Frank. நான் டான் பாஸ்கோ பாலிடெக்னிக் காலேஜில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் படிக்கிறேன்.
இப்போ என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா WH கொஸ்டின்ஸை பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம்.
WH கொஷின்ஸ்னா என்ன?
What, when, where, why, who, which.
Whose test is it?
It is my test.
Who runs best of all?
Usain Bolt.
Where will you be on Monday?
In London.
When did you write a test?
On Friday.
How many lessons do you have?
6 lesson.
Whose bag is it?
சண்முகப்பிரியா.
When will you come?
At 4 o'clock.
What are you drawing now?
A cat.
Why are you tired?
I do some work.
Whose car is it?
It's me.
Who are you?
I am an engineer.
When do you get up early in the morning?
At 4:30.
Which look beautiful.
The rainbow looks
What is your name?
fine.
When will you arrive?
On Monday.
Who is your friend?
Okay.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Who was late yesterday?
Akash.
Where do you spend your holiday?
In Spain.
Which is your favorite food?
Mandi.
How do you get to school?
By bus.
What is your mother?
Teacher.
Whose book is it?
Santosh.
Why are you crying?
I am suffering from fever.
Where do you live?
In Chennai.
Why are you sad?
Because I miss my mobile phone.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துன்னா
லைக் பண்ணுங்க,
ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you.
Don't